Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to export CAD files from Revit step by step. Exporting your Revit project to a CAD format such as DWG makes it easier to share drawings with AutoCAD users, consultants, contractors, and other project partners. So let's get started. First, open your Revit project and make sure the views or sheets you want to export are complete and properly organized. Before exporting, review your dimensions, annotations, layers, and view settings to ensure everything appears the way you want. Next, click the File menu, select Export, then choose CAD Formats and click DWG. Revit will open the Export dialog where you can choose the views or sheets you want to convert into CAD files. Now select the desired views or drawing sheets, then click Next or OK, depending on your Revit version. You can also click Modify Export Setup to customize settings such as layer mapping, units, colors, line weights, fonts, and file versions to match your project's CAD standards. After configuring the export options, choose the folder where you'd like to save the exported files and click Export. Wait while Revit converts the selected views into DWG files. Larger projects with multiple sheets may take a little longer to finish. Finally, open the exported DWG files in AutoCAD or another compatible CAD application to verify that the drawings, annotations, and layers have been exported correctly. If necessary, adjust the export settings and repeat the process. And that's it. You now know how to export CAD files from Revit and share your building drawings with CAD-based workflows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.